Today, we are celebrating the iconic Volkswagen Bus at Ivywild School in Colorado Springs. It's Buses at the Brewery. Let's go! For the last 19 years, Bristol Brewing Company has hosted Buses at the Brewery. For many of those years, it's been held at Ivywild School. The beautiful former school is now the home of Bristol Brewing Company. We love Volkswagens. It was the first car we bought when we got married about 3 decades ago, a Volkswagen Passat, and it stayed in our family until we had to leave it behind in Germany. But Volkswagens have always had a special place in our heart. So when we heard about Buses at the Brewery, where you could look at Volkswagens while drinking a craft beer, yes please, let's go. Few vehicles capture the spirit of adventure quite like the iconic Volkswagen Bus. The signature round headlights and boxy design make the Volkswagen Bus instantly recognizable, a beloved people mover and camper. These rolling classics that first hit the road in 1950 are more than just vehicles. They're cultural legends that are sure to spark some nostalgia. Each Volkswagen has its own personality: bright colors, shining chrome, custom details, and quirky additions. Some buses have been meticulously restored to their factory shine, and others are a little more weathered after an adventure-filled life. Every scratch, every hand-painted detail, and every sticker has a story to tell. Many of the Volkswagen buses come with Westphalia camper conversions, turning a humble van into a home on wheels. The compact kitchens, pop-up tops, and fold-out beds make these the ultimate road trip machines. There were so many cool Volkswagens. It was fun to walk around and see all the different varieties, and you could vote for your favorite as part of the People's Choice Award. I don't know what the winner got, but if you know, let me know in the comments. Probably some free beer, I would guess. The event wasn't just for Volkswagen buses. There were Beetles and a Humbug, a Karmann Ghia, and so many more cool vehicles that I don't even know all the names of them. After admiring the Volkswagen vehicles, we grabbed a beer and enjoyed Ivywild School. Ivywild School is a former elementary school that is now the home of Bristol Brewery and several restaurants. It's a community gathering space. There's a lot of outdoor seating, and there's indoor events too in the auditorium, trivia. It's just a really fun space. If you would like to know more about Ivywild School, I will link our video at the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit subscribe to follow along on our journeys. We would love to have you. See you next time.